Okay, so this is using the SL2 camera, and I am currently not using any microphone. There's no lavalier mic attached to me. I'm using the audio straight from the camera. So this will give you an idea of what the camera can do, at least out of the box, because I haven't had time to actually learn how to use it yet. I pretty much just turned it on and did a couple of things with settings, but really I haven't explored it yet. So this is pretty much out of the box. Stick it on the tripod and let's see how it goes. So onboard camera mic, I guess we'll find out if it's any good. But I obviously have bought myself a Rode mic, which will go on the camera. So let's open this up and see what this is like. So let's go ahead. This. Now this should give better audio, so obviously the onboard camera microphone isn't going to be wonderful, or at least, I don't know, might be surprised, but typically that's not what you want to go with. We have the microphone itself, so there we go, and it sounds like my baby's awake, so I'm going to have to do the rest later. We have a battery here and connector cable, and I guess this is to charge the battery or something. Anyway, so this is what's in the box. Nice, this is how big it is compared to me, but I'm gonna have to go and check on my little baby. Okay, so now I am using the Rode Pro mic on top of the camera, so I don't know if you can tell the difference. I will find out when I put it into editing. Now I'm going to open up the rest of the things I have here. So another package arrived, and that was my backup battery power unit, so I'm just going to open that. So I didn't get an extra Canon batteries, but I did get some knockoff versions. It's called the Top Max. So anyway, cable here. Oops, I like throwing things around here. So it comes with that, but it's a basic charger for the battery. So is it focusing? So yep, that's what it looks like. And then I got two of these. So just a quick look at that. Hopefully it's not too hard to get out of here. Oh well, I'll leave it in here for now. Okay, so that is the Top Max. So I got two of those, plus the camera battery that comes with the camera. So I shouldn't run out of charge, hopefully. So if I'm out for a day of shooting, hopefully all of these, if they're fully charged, will keep me going. So that's that. Then there was the LED light. So this just fits on top of the camera and provides that extra light in low light situations, or to have consistent lighting, like when I'm vlogging and that kind of thing. Okay, so we have the light here. Comes with a diffuser panel on top, which comes off, and then you got the lights right here. So a lot of light bulbs. I think it's like 176 light bulbs or 216. Not exactly sure. I've got both numbers on the box. Anyway, so a lot of lights. Diffuser panel just goes straight over the top like that, and then on the back looks like this. We have a tungsten light. So if you're shooting in tungsten light, you can use this to correct the lighting. So this is daylight, I'm guessing, and this will be if I'm shooting in tungsten lighting. And then underneath here, we have what looks like a mount, shoe mount. So this will go on top of the camera and mounted onto the camera. And that looks like that's it. So on top of the camera, I will be placing this. So it is the bracket comes in a bag like this. Are you joining in? My baby is sitting in his high chair next to me. Okay, so there you go. Oh, it's a bracket, so it's at different heights, which is quite nice because then things can be mounted differently. So the microphone will go on one and the light will go on the other. I don't know which one at this point. I will try it out. So that's that. And then I have the grey card. Comes in this nice little bag. Nice and small. Okay. Okay, grey card. So when you're doing your white balance, you will hold this up to the lens. You'll take a picture and then calibrate it to the grey card. It also has white on the other side, so you can calibrate to that as well. But grey apparently is the best way to go. So that's the grey card, nice and small, about the size, well, quite a lot bigger than my head, I think, actually, but anyway. And then it folds down nice and small into that little container there. Ooh. Can I do it? There we go. Last but one is the JB tripod. So we have documentation at the top, and then we have the tripod, and so there we go. It's got a leveler on the top. Is it focusing? Can't tell. So that's that. So, woo, it dipped. So you can level it with this little knob right here. So anyway, that'll be a fun little gadget to use when I just want something quick and easy to set up somewhere, or to use, as many people do, for vlogging. So I can hold that up there and then vlog with it. Okay, I think that's it. No, there's one more. There is this box right here. Canon concept. So this is my actual replacement tripod for the one that broke. So it looks like it comes in a bag. It's a really nice bag, actually. How cool is that? Really nice quality bag to it. Much nicer than my old tripod bag. I mean, my old tripod is really old. I mean, it had seen, it was old. So, in here we have the tripod. This is going to be really a lot easier to carry around than the other one as well. It's not very heavy, it's quite light, small and compact. It's got that new smell. Okay, so we have the legs. Hold on a second, let me try and figure this out. We have a bag on the bottom there. So is this the tripod bit? Okay, this is different from how I'm used to doing things. Okay, we'll figure that out. So I'm guessing this bag goes over the tripod head, like that. Okay, so there we go. Tripod head, KNF concepts. Feels good. It's got a grip on here as well. It's got a nice ring up here too. Feels really good quality, but light. So that's nice. It has rubber feet. I don't know how well this is focusing. Hopefully it's focusing okay. And it has that grip underneath. So if you've got something really heavy, you can hang like something weighty there to give it extra weight to cope with something heavy. So yeah, that's that. Is there anything else? We have a strap, presumably for the bag, and a bunch of these things. We will see how this all goes. Hopefully in coming videos you will see an improvement in the camera quality and the visuals and audio, hopefully, as well. And at the moment, obviously, it's all very basic out of the box. I haven't had a chance to really test it at all. So if this video is not looking as good as you might think it should, then please bear that in mind. Hopefully it will improve as I start figuring out the settings and actually do things a little bit more manually. Okay, I think that's it. So my question for you today is, what equipment would you really like to get? What's on your wish list? Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in more tips and tutorials on visual media, producing online courses, or just what it's like behind the scenes of a mum building a business, then please hit that subscribe button and you can watch a couple more videos right here as well. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and we will talk soon.